Hello viewers, in this video I'm going to tell you how to create different types of activities using Nearpod. What is a Nearpod? Nearpod is an online platform which is used these days quite heavily for engaging the students with help of various kinds of activities. These activities are quite interesting, ranging from quizzes to time to climb. Match the following, fill in the blanks, memory test, etc. So today in this video I'm going to tell you how to plan a Nearpod lesson which can be shared with the students and how the whole process works. So let us start. First of all, open the website of Nearpod. For that you need to go to nearpod.com. As a teacher you have to log in for the free account, okay? And for the students the process is like this. The teacher shares a secret code and the student has to enter this code in order to use that lesson. For students no prior registration is required. So let us log in. So let me log in to this website as a teacher. Yes, I have logged in here as a teacher. Now I have to create a lesson. So create your own lesson in Nearpod. So click on this button. Now let us give this lesson name. So it is a demo lesson activity. So this will focus on the activities that we can plan. Now in this lesson I need to add a slide. So either you can click here or click here. So add a slide. Now these are the contents that you can use in a lesson, but today this video focuses on the activities for student engagement. So I will primarily focus on these options. First one is time to climb. So how does this work? There are questions, and whenever a student answers our questions correctly, he or she rises up the hill, climbs the hill as a score. And there are different background themes which you can choose from. So let us first activity that we are going to create is climb to hill, time to climb. Sorry. So the first activity that we are going to plan is time to climb. So click on it. Wait for some time. So one slide will be inserted. Now here is the question that you should write, and the question is see, for example, who is the Prime Minister of India? All right, and the options are Mr. Narendra Modi, Mr. Amit Shah. See, I want to give only two options. Okay, but maximum options that you can give is 4, and whichever is the correct answer, for that you can check it which is the correct answer. Okay, instead of these questions you can also input a image. Okay, now let me add at least one more question. So this is adding the option. No, I want to add a question, so click at the bottom to add a new question. So who is an Indian player? Who is an Indian player from the following? All right. So let me give some rare name. Abhay Guru Villad. I'm not sure about the spelling. Kumar Sangakkara. Let me add one more option, and that is okay. So Abhay Guru Villad is the correct answer. So let us add it now. For those teachers who want to do the same thing in Hindi, so even if you have the Google input tool say installed here, for example here this is my Google input tool installed in the Chrome, and generally it works with all the websites, but if you see here हमारे desh. It's not working. Ka. So whatever I'm trying to write even in Hindi here, it is not working. So what I have done, I have typed the questions in Hindi using this Google Docs, and I have used voice recording for this. If you do not know how to do it, then you can go and check it. For example, tools, voice typing, click on it, language is selected as Hindi, so start. निम्न में से भारत के वर्तमान रक्षा मंत्री कौन है? श्री राजनाथ सिंह, श्री अमित शाह, श्री योगी आदित्यनाथ. Let me stop it. So let us say that I want to type these questions or exercises in Hindi. Is it possible? So see, when I'm copying and pasting from an existing file, a doc file or a word file, then it is working. So I should get all my material ready, and I should copy those answers from here. Say one more. Here, so let it be two options. Okay, now I'm done. Okay, so I'm done, and let the correct answer be Sri Rajnath Singh. Now save. So one of my activity is ready, and this activity is called time to climb. Now let us add another activity, and this time let us go with the activity open-ended question. Now what happens? What is an open-ended question? As an open-ended question, you write a question here, and all the student will respond to this, and whatever they write, these answers will be visible to you. But remember, if such kind of questions we are giving in Hindi, then the student may have difficulty in typing and copying, depending upon in which class they are. But if it is in English, then it is easy. You can say. So let me change my input style, which is still on for Hindi. Do you like near pod activity? If yes, then why? Right. So let this be my question. Now, if you want student to record their audio, then you can enable this option. Okay. And for this question, you can also set a timer. Say that the student should respond in this much of time. So click on the timer. This is for minutes, and this is for seconds. So I don't want to give more than 30 seconds. So let me confine it with the time and save this activity. Open-ended question. Now, whatever the student answer, it will be visible to you, recorded. And let us add another activity called match the pair. Yeah. So whatever are, the instructions are here, you can give the instructions. Match the following pairs correctly. Now, if I want to match it, click on it and give the pairs. For example, you can add a text or add an image. For example, if I want to add an image, then upload the image. If you have a file, then you can browse and go through that and choose a suitable file. Okay, so let me choose the images that I want the students to match. So the text is square. If you want to zoom it or adjust the level of that image, what is this image? Okay, so add another pair. So if you don't want to add an image, write about say India, and its other name is Bharat. See, add another pair of image of something. Say hexagon. Hexagon is a polygon. Okay, let it be. So those pairs are there. save it. So another activity is ready. Add another slide. Activity. Match the pairs of a quiz. So for quiz, if you want to organize a quiz, then the quiz is similar to climb the hill, but here that animation is not there when you climb a hill. It is a very simple kind of thing. So here let me take those questions which I typed in Hindi. You can use the questions which were there in English. For example, भारत के वर्तमान प्रधानमंत्री जी का नाम क्या है? Okay, let us take this question. भारत को रफाल फाइटर प्लेन्स किस देश ने दिया? So recently India has procured the Rafale fighter planes. So this makes sense. The options are Pakistan, America, France. I don't know the options. Japan. And another option here it is. The correct one is France. This has to be here as a question. Okay, so one more question is complete. Sorry. Add answer I already have created. Okay. So let us save this question, or if you want to add another question, let us add another question. So the score should be visible to us properly. भारत के किस क्रिकेटर ने तीनों फॉर्मेट को में मिलाकर सबसे ज़्यादा रन किए हैं? So let me copy this one as an earpod activity. Now why I am putting the questions in Hindi, there is a reason, because I have received a request that how Hindi teachers can use this. So in particular this video I am creating for a particular friend of mine, so that is why I am focusing that much on Hindi, but the same thing can be applied, or same thing can be done using English also. English is the default things. So let me check that question is okay. That question already is here. Okay, so let us save this activity. So please select the correct answer. I forgot to do so, so it is telling me. Here also, if you see, if you want to add a media, video, audio, anything, you can do so. If you want to limit it by a timer, so you can limit that too. Okay, there are lots of options in individual activities, but I'm going with the default settings, whatever they have. So add another slide, and that slide has to be for drawing. Okay, so students can draw whatever you want to draw. For example, please draw your favorite super character, or draw picture of a noun. This draw picture of a noun. So for kids it should be full. Already they are using Christmas kind of language. Picture. Draw picture of a noun. Okay. Upload the background image if you want to add any background image. Now here timer should be added. Why? Because you never know how long students will take. So let us say 30 seconds. I am adding it here. Okay. Now let us save this activity also. Okay. Now let us try to add another activity. Collaborate. Collaborate is an activity where as a team students collaborate, and whatever they want to do, it will be as a theme oriented kind of activity. For example, national symbols. Please share all the national symbols. National symbols of India, be it animals or flower, national flower or something. So let me see what theme you want. The student should display the things like this, symbols and their names. So let's see. Okay, So this is a collaborative kind of thing. It is something as a common pin board where students are pinning their content. So now poll. What is poll? If you want to create a poll and students should vote, then it is here. So whatever questions you want, you can say which activity you like most. So I want to check from the students which is their favorite activity. Trying to find match the following or so here there is no correct answer, you see, like a quiz. So let me save it. This activity is also saved. Let me add one more activity. Poll is done. Fill in the blanks. Yes, this is very interesting activity which students find it easy. Now here you can write any text and you can remove the words which you want to the students to fill, and it will be stored in a word box. But here let me do it for Hindi, because this is the difficult one. Famous poetry, Sare Jahan Se Acha. For this, see, the lines are Sare Jahan Se Acha Hindustan Hamara. Okay, now let me copy it here, go to Nearpod, and I am pasting my text. So my text is here. Now what theme you want, you can decide. Okay, so I can do it here. So this is my style. Now let us go to next. Now here I have to extract the words which will be used as a filler. So Jahan, Hindustan, Bulbule, and Gulistan. So these are the words that will be used from the word box as a filler. So let us see. Now, is there any other activity left which we can add? Memory test. Yes, let us see. What is there in the memory test? It is image based test. But how to add images? Say let me choose. I can search. So the triangles are here. Okay. Squares. You can further choose anything you want. Okay. Circle. Okay. Oh, this is something else. Right. So here, which shape is missing? Square. I think the square is there. Hexagon is there. So I need to put a hexagon. Let this one be here. Right. Now grid size is 6 pair, 8 pair, or 12 pair. Now this is done. Final question. Okay. Can I? Okay. Now let us see. Done. So it is done. Now I have created, say, how many activities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 activities in one slide. Ideally this number of activities should not be there, but as a training material I am including this number of activities. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, now where is my activity? The name of my activity is here. It is saving. Okay, So there are two ways to share it with the students. Either the student can do it by their own pace, or it is through live lesson. So I prefer personally like this live lesson kind of thing. So you can start from here, and you can interact with the students either using a Zoom link or a Google Meet or a Microsoft team, and you can share the code with the students live. So let us say that I want to go through live session. So this is the code which is visible on my screen, and you need to copy it and share it with the students. So in order to do so, let me do one thing. I need to create one more website page, one more tab, and I should go in incognito mode. Control Shift N. It opens my incognito mode. Then go to Nearpod, and I will open, say, as a student. This is my student page. So here I will enter the code. So code is here as a student. This is my student screen. So let me log in. Okay. So as a student, it is asking what is your name. So it is Nar Ranjan is or my name. If you want to get their email ID or mobile number or whatever it is, then you can ask for it also. So join the session. Okay. So the first activity is time to climb by Nearpod, and let me go to the teacher's view. So this is my teacher's view. Close it. Now the first activity is time to climb. Now which background theme you want to, Himalaya, space, or underwater? Say you want to choose underwater, which is by default selected here, and you say continue. So what happens from the student window, it will be pushed and student will have something like this. This is my student screen. Here student can choose from the following characters. Okay, so this is the character. Now here, this is me along with my name, and this is my climbing path. It is waiting for other players. So let us see if some other players joins. In the meantime, the teacher's screen is like this. So if all the students have joined, you see here only one character, that is this student has joined. So in our case, nobody else is expected, else you can wait for others to join, and you click on the start. Now once you click on the start, then only student will be able to proceed for this activity. So here you see here, the timer has started. Next activity is that open-ended question. So click on this start activity. So the same thing will be popped down to the student screen. So student have 30 seconds to like, do you like the Nearpod activity? Yes, I do like, and it's fun to study like this. Okay. So whatever you want to write, you write it, and before the timer ends, or you can submit it. And your answer has been submitted. You can edit it if you have the time. Now, what is visible on the teacher's screen? Just to see. Once the time is up, the response of the students is recorded here. And if the teacher feels that one of the students has given an awesome answer, so it can be shared on the screen of the student. For example, here I am sharing it with the all other students. So yeah, here it is. So this is one of the best answers that one of the student has shared, so teacher can simultaneously share it. Now let us return back to the teacher's screen, and let me start as a teacher the next activity. So the next activity is match the following pair, and the number of students are there. View the pairs if you want to view. From here also you can see to student view. Okay, so how student view to this? Student will view to this problem like this. So these are the things. Okay, now square, polygon, hexagon, etc. Now let me return to the teacher's view and start this activity, and I will see to this as a student activity. So let me go and see from students activity, match the following. So Bharat is matched with India, correct. Square is matched with this diagram, and hexagon is a polygon. So done correctly. Okay, well done. 3 tries. Wait for your teacher to continue with the lesson. Okay, now let me go to the teacher's view. So it says that what is my score and how many tries I have taken to complete this. Now let us go to the next activity. Next activity is quiz. Okay, so again let me go to the student screen, which is there in common. This is my quiz questions. भारत को रफाल फाइटर प्लेन किस देश ने दिया? तो फ्रांस ने दिया. ओके, नेक्स्ट. भारत के किस क्रिकेटर ने तीनों फॉर्मेट मिलाकर सबसे ज्यादा रन बनाए हैं? सो appear it like this, submitted, right? Got it. So here the thing is recorded. This for the first question, the student has selected the C option. Second also the option is C, and the score is 2/2. Okay, now let us start the next activity, that is draw the picture of a noun. So let me go to the student screen, and my student screen is here. Draw time. Okay, let me draw it. Oh, from teacher screen I have not started it. I think start the activity. Now the students can draw parallelly. You see, now say I want to draw something, select the drawing tools or other things. So here say I want to draw a tree, say, and whatever student is drawing, the teacher can see on its screen with some delay. So say Niharanjan Roy is in progress and he is drawing it. See, time is still remaining, so you can revert, and if you want to draw something more, you can draw before the time ends. If the timer ends, whatever you have done, that will be saved and shown on the screen. So this is one of the activities which children like a lot. Now let us try to see the activities. One more activity. Next activity. Okay, it's a collaborate activity. This slide is a collaborate board. Would you like to approve student comments before they are posted? Now every student can post anything what they want as per the instructions, and it will be visible to everybody. Now there are two modes. Either you can directly allow students to post what they want to post, or you want to approve so that no absurd thing is posted on the screen or irrelevant thing is posted. So I want to say that yes, I want to approve it. Okay, so now let me go as a student screen, say national symbols. So I can post as an image, or I can write it, say Ashoka line, so national or line. So post it. If you want to add an image, say any image if you have, you can upload it. So say this is my symbol and I want to upload it, so post. Okay, Now, what is there on the student teacher's screen? Let me see. So here are two notifications that two students or two items have been posted. You need to approve it. So you can see, okay, first one is login, I need to approve it. Okay, this is the image, I need to approve it. So once as a teacher I approve it, then only it will be visible on the screen. Okay, so even this activity is over. So let us move to the next activity. This is poll activity. I want to accept a poll from the student that which is their favorite activity, so that I can next time plan only those activities which my class students like the most. So let us come here and see time to climb I like the most. So submit it. Okay, got it. Now let us move to the teacher screen. So the teacher is able to see my response that okay, A is the activity that the student Nihar likes the most, and here is the percentage wise distribution of the activity. Okay, now let me see next. What is the next activity? The next activity is fill in the blanks. Okay, so let us go to the student screen. And what is that fill in the blank activity? Yes. Okay, so सारे जहाँ से अच्छा. So let me drag and drop here. सारे जहाँ से अच्छा, हिंदुस्तान हमारा, हम बुलबुलें हैं इसकी, ये गुलसिता हमारा. So one kind of memory test it is, a language test it is. So you can write the sentences and you can ask them to fill it with the appropriate words from the words given in the box below. So if you are done, submit it. The score is visible to the student. Okay, now let us go to the student's teacher screen. So here the score of the students is visible on the teacher screen. Let us check the next activity. Next activity is memory test. So let us see, this is the final activity, and let us come to the student screen. Boom, square, triangle, pentagon, circle, this and this are same, circle and pentagon. Oh, this and this and this. Okay, now triangle and triangle, now triangle, circle and circle. Now this and this, square and triangle, triangle, square and square. So 14 moves I required to do this. So close. This is the answer. Now let us move to the teacher screen. Okay, so this is the last activity which the teacher has allowed the student to do, and this is the activity which the student has completed. Now from a teacher's screen, since this is the last activity, so you can click here and end the session, or if you want to see the report, you can see the report. An assessment report of this presentations will be sent to your email account. This. Okay, so let us terminate it, end the session. If you will want to end the session, this will end the sessions for all logged in students. Yes, I want to end the session. Now it will give you this screen. Now this is my demo activity that I have done. So let me see where is the report. The report is also available here. Click here. So demo report activity slides. So you can see the individual reports of the activities. Summary. What is the summary? Result of the poll. Result of the open-ended questions. Result of the drawing it. So whatever the student has drawn, click on it, and you can further see their details. Match the pairs, see scores up, collaborate. Class board view only, class board editable. So if you want to view only what the students have posted, or this was posted on that. So similarly, you can see all your reports here. So there are 9 activities that we saw in this video. You can choose what your students like, what kind of complexity you want to give. Now this activity should not be overused. It is only to have fun or engage the students. So you are the best judge how much it should be used. Okay, so this is all in this video. There are many other lessons that we can plan. There are existing lessons that we can use in our Nearpod exercises or lessons. We can create our own lessons. Okay, some of the parts or the lessons available on the Nearpod are paid also. Okay, and some are free also. So in both ways you can use it. So that is it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.